Hello! The goal of this video is to show how you can select entities per attribute value. Here it will be elements per sickness. So as you can see in this model, we have several sickness. And now my goal is to select the elements with value of 4 or plus. So for that I need to use my entity filters here and select elements, so I can go on the list or I can click on the E on my keyboard, and then I go to the advanced selection. So you can click on the little dots or you can click on the spacebar on your keyboard. As you can see, we have several columns with name, ID, sickness, etc. You can hide or show columns as you want. For that you need to do a right click on the top of one column, and you can then check or uncheck the line to select a specific column. Here my goal is to select some specific element according the sickness. So as you can see, I have my sickness column, but also I can use my filter. So it's pretty easy. You can write the beginning of your word and it proposes you some solution. This one I just did a test before, and as you can see I can see it again. So I can select sickness, then it proposes you some different kind of proposition. So for example, on my case I want greater than, and then you can put a value, and here you can see the different value that you have on your model. For example 4, and hit enter, and directly you can find all the components with sickness more than 4. So now I just need to select my 2 components and click OK, and now my elements are selected as you can see here. And for example, I can isolate them, so I can click on the I on my keyboard, like isolate, and you can see it. It's pretty easy. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.